Hi, I'm Sunny Lindley. I'm a radical mom, an urban homesteader, and an eco-artist. And today I'm going to show you how to maintain and restore common garden tools. For really rusty tools like these, we're going to start by making a vinegar and salt solution that will soak the tools in for about 12 to 24 hours. Scrub with steel wool and wipe down with magazine or newspaper. Soak them in a baking soda and water solution, only briefly, just 10 minutes is fine, but that neutralizes all of the acid from the vinegar so that it won't continue to react with the metal. For moderately rusty tools, make a baking soda and water paste thick enough to stick to the tool. Soak it for an hour or more and wipe clean with magazine or newspaper. For minimally rusty tools, just clean with sandpaper and avoid any of the beveled blade edges. Once you've removed all the rust from your tools, clean them thoroughly with Citrusolve or a similar non-toxic natural solvent. To clean a shovel before sharpening, just use a wire brush. After you've cleaned your shovel and you're ready to sharpen it, you're going to use a 10-inch flat bastard file. And the rule of thumb is that when you're using a file, you go the same direction. When you're using a sharpening stone, you would go in a circular direction. I'm going to show you using this one because this blade is pretty easy to see right here where it needs to be sharpened. So I'm going to be using this little diamond stone sharpener. And what you want to look for is you want to try and find the angle of the bevel. So you can see right here where it's kind of shiny and silver, but then over here it's kind of black. So that's a good example to try to show you. You want to just try and get your stone lined up just exactly with that bevel. And then you're just going to go gently in a circular motion. In the case of this one, you should see, if you're getting that angle just right, that the black is going to start to come off of there. Your anvil type pruner is going to have, the blade is going to have a bevel on each side. So you're going to want to sharpen two sides. Now remember with your bypass pruners that this blade is actually bypassing this part right here. So this part does not need to be sharpened. This part does. On the other side, where they pass each other, that should just remain flat. So this side is not going to get sharpened. That's just going to remain flat unless you have any burrs on there. You're going to do exactly the same thing with your bypass pruner. You're going to notice the angle of that bevel, and you're going to line up your diamond stone perfectly with that angle, and then just move gently in a circular motion, just following that exact bevel. Now, I have heard that one really good way to do this to be very precise is that you can take a felt pen and you can draw a line right along that bevel with your felt pen, and then you can use your diamond stone to basically just remove all of the felt marker. I use linseed oil for both the metal and the wood. You can also use a 3-in-1 oil or WD-40 for the metal. The linseed oil is all natural. Just be sure to air out your rags, as linseed oil is combustible when left in an enclosed container. The reason why I choose to use the materials that I did today is because none of them are petroleum-based products. They're all perfectly safe for you to put right in your compost. Thanks for joining me for another handy day at Sunny Joy Farm.